Hi guys, welcome all on your PD education platform, and this is good news for the Telangana students. There are the huge number of the posts or vacancies in the various departments in the this Telangana State Public Service Commission. So detailed notification you will get soon on the website. Right now the tentative number of the post is 1540. It is more than 1540. So it is a very huge number, very big number for you guys. And what you have to prepare in the technical, just focus on that things. So today I'm just right now explain the things what you have to focus in the technical part, although non-tech part is also there. So let us see the things that we have to focus in the technical. So total we have 13 subjects. So starting from the building material and construction. So guys, I just take an idea from the previous detailed notification, what was the syllabus there. Actually syllabus remains same. The weightage of the that particular subject is changing year by year. Fine. So I am going to tell you the idea on what subject you have to focus more. So building material and construction, what you have to study in this one. So basically in building material and construction, mostly the question is from the cement part. Mostly the question is from the cement part. Here cement you can see, and different grades and types of cement, and the extremely important thing is the test on the cement. After cement we have to focus on the timber, brick. So generally this building material part, this is waiting for the 10 marks. So technical question, if we talk about, 150 questions are there guys. Total 150 questions are there, and it is covering all the syllabus what we have in the civil engineering, total 14 to 15 subjects. So right now just like hydrology, water source irrigation, that is clubbed in one part, so kind of hydrology and water sources. Fine. So various departments we have the various posts like building and road department, like this urban development department or panchayati rural department we have. Fine. So building material 10 questions are there, and very basic questions. If you check the this level of the question guys, not so much tough questions, very basic questions. If you are solving the previous year SSC JEE, or if you are also solving the engineering services 1 marks carrying question, definitely that are the more than sufficient. Fine. So if we talk about the strength of material, next subject what we have, this strength of material and theory of structure basically. So from SOM with this essay theory of structure, overall we are getting this 15 questions. So guys, I am telling you the tentative question numbers that are basically framed in the exam last years basically. So probability of these questions are very high, just like your fluid mechanics. Earlier we have the 20 question from the fluid mechanics only. If we talk about this geotechnical engineering or this soil engineering, whatever you want to call it, so we have only this 10 to 12 questions. If we talk about the environment, so we have 18 questions from there. Fine. So it varies year to year. So don't take this one ki only the 15 questions or 10 questions from the BM, 15 questions from the SOM. So we have to more focus on this strength of material only. No. So every subject has their weightage. So you have to study it carefully. Next, RCC along with the steel. So RCC along with the steel, although RCC is design subject, so mostly the probability is there, the design question will be there. The examiner will ask the design question. But honestly speaking, the question level from RCC is very simple. Formula based question is there for the calculation of moment of resistance of the section. In steel, only 3 to 4 questions guys in every exam, whatever exam you are preparing guys, for any PSU, for any state public service commission, or if you talk about the gate, generally we have the 3 to 4 marks from the steel. In short, 3 to 4 questions from the steel. Okay. So overall from RCC and steel we have this number is 15. Okay. From RCC we are getting 12 to 13 questions, and from steel 2 to 3 questions. Okay. So the thing is that in RCC pre-stress concrete is also included. So pre-stress concrete. So basically guys, whenever you are studying a particular subject like RCC, so first of all focus on the basic thing. Basic questions will be there. Second, from design, what he wants to know, load carrying capacity of the section or moment resisting capacity of the section. Okay, or either he and she may ask the dimension of the section. That question may be a little tricky question. How to solve, we will see it in later stages. And from pre-stress concrete, that is the demand of this era now. This is the mostly asked section from the RCC. What is the pre-stress concrete? What are the losses in the pre-stress concrete? And what are the various method of doing the pre-stressing? That's it. Simple question. So you will generate 2 to 3 questions from your pre-stress concrete section, PSC section basically. Fine. Next, if we talk about the fluid mechanics and hydraulics. So if you see the weightages of the question, guys, again saying previous year this number was 20, that is questions that was asked from the fluid mechanics and hydraulics, it is also including your pump and turbine part. So the question number was 20, that was a very huge number, guys. Okay, so what you have to focus in fluid mechanics, basically there is a fluid static part, fluid kinematic part, fluid dynamic part, we have the pump and turbine, we have the open channel flow in civil also. So we have to focus on that one. Okay, now listen, whenever you are preparing for any examination, as you have assistant executive engineer exam for this Telangana State Public Service Commission, don't just make this perception only theoretical question will be there. Just go with the numerical data also. You have to solve the questions. Okay, don't blindly faith with the previous year questions what you have. If they are very less or very few numbers of numericals in the exam, so it's not mandatory. This year will also be, it is a purely theoretical basis. Okay, numerically you have to solve because your post is AEE, Assistant Executive Engineer, and the post number is 1540. And this is good news for you guys. First time Europedia has launched this offline batch in Hyderabad, and initially we are just giving you 50% discount. Okay, and classes will start from the 20th September. So those students who are interested, those who want to take the classes, those who want to take the demo classes, so they may visit the Center Institute, or they may fill the Google form. Google form link will be given to in the description. Okay, so let's proceed further. Hydrology, water resources engineering, it also includes your irrigation. So this combined gives to 15 to 18 questions, and very basic question, guys. There is no numerical from these subjects. Numerical subjects like your SOM, fluid mechanics, RCC, soil, environment, highway, surveying. Again from surveying, very basic questions, just like from compass survey, from this theodolite survey, from labeling that we have, from the chain survey. Okay, and this is your purely theoretical question from this hydrology and water resources engineering. That is, we have the subject like hydrology, irrigation. So total we are getting 15 to 18 questions from here. Fine. The thing that can disturb you in the exam is the design of the canal. Honestly speaking, or they may ask calculate the duty and delta or the base period. Fine. So we have the some specified formula, we have the some specified theories. So we have to study only that one. On the basis of that, the repeated questions, only the data will be changed, examiner is asking the things. So not so tough question from here. So that's why I am saying you have to focus on what thing that I am going to explain here. Next is the environmental engineering. So guys, from the civil point of view, if we talk about the subject who's taking a large time for its completion, like your environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering that we have, and this environmental engineering, this is waiting a more question in the exam. This number is from 15 to 20. 15 से 20, 15 to 20 questions from the environmental engineering. So environmental engineering, few questions are very basic. So just like on the water quality parameters, and few questions are on the basis of the test, and few questions were on the this sewer design. So if you check the pattern, guys, and try to understand how they are framing the question, so just open the syllabus, although you will get this soon detailed notifications. So thus first of all, just open the syllabus and read the carefully what is the mentioned topics in your syllabus. Okay, whenever you are going through that particular syllabus, just try to touch every topic, at least solve 1 or 2 questions from each topic. After that, just analyze yourself by this online test series that we are giving to you guys. Now if we talk about this this next subject that we have is transportation engineering. Okay, although this includes your highway engineering plus railway engineering both. Okay, highway and railway both, even we have the airport engineering also, airport is also. So 3 subjects we combined, it is one, so we are getting the transportation engineering. So if we talk about only from the highway point of view, so we are getting this 8 to 10 question from the highway. Okay, now care should be taken, because in highway we have the geometry design, we have to design the curve, we have to decide the what should be the radius of curvature of the curve, what should be the length of the transition curve, valley curve at all. So formulas are extremely important, guys, and so many formulas in highway. The best thing is that write the every formula on the sheet and after that solve the question. So we will see how to solve the question. So this is the number of questions that are came in the previous exam, if we talk about that held earlier. So railway engineering, airport engineering, 1 to 2 questions from here, 1 to 2 questions. So overall we can say this 10 to 12 questions from transportation engineering. Okay, so total question number is 150, guys. Total technical questions are 150 and non-tech questions are also 150. Soon you will get the detailed notification. So in technical part, from which subject, how many questions are there in the exam, the probability of the coming question from particular subjects, that I am going to explain here, guys. Okay, next is the soil mechanics and the foundation engineering, or you can call it the soil engineering or geotechnical engineering. So its weightage is 10 to 12 question. Okay, so 10 to 12 questions are there. Now you can just see, if the question from the design of foundation is there, then you have to pay more attention on the question, basically, because might be examiner wants to know what is the load carrying capacity of your foundation, or if the question is from this very basic, like what is the net safe bearing capacity of the soil, what is this ultimate bearing capacity of the soil. In that case you have to pay more attention as compared to the numerical. Why? Because like ultimate bearing capacity, net ultimate bearing capacity, net safe bearing capacity and net safe allowable bearing pressure on the soil, the things, they are much interlinked with each other, and most of time students get confused here what should be the answer. Fine. So here you will get the 10 to 12 questions. Next we have the estimation and costing, along with it construction management, CPM. So estimation, costing, definitely or purely you will get the numericals more. Although what is estimate, what type of estimate we have, what is the security amount that contractor has to deposit for the security reasons, what is the earnest money, what is the different terminology in the building work, in this foundation work, that is generally asked. Okay, so estimation and costing, if we talk about this one, so generally the questions is only estimation and costing, 10 to 12 questions from here, and from your construction management part. Fine, so you will get 1 to 2 questions. So overall 10 to 12 questions we can say. Fine. And next is your surveying. So again saying, guys, what is surveying? They will ask the very basic question, or principle of surveying. What is this principle of chain surveying, compass surveying? What is this tachometric surveying? Okay, or might be they wrote we have to do this revenue survey. Okay, that is done by the revenue engineer. So what should be the length of the chain, or what should be the number of the links in the chain? Very basic question. So overall, if we are talking about the syllabus, more or less syllabus will be same. The thing is that how examiner is framing the question. Guys, listen carefully. If we are doing the things very carefully, if we are solving all the things, if we are studying the what subject we have, if we are solving the previous year question, 10 to 15 year question we should have, if we are solving that questions also, definitely you can hit the paper, you can hit the exam, and your number, your name will be displayed on this cutoff list, the final cutoff list that you will have. Fine. Although along with the technical, non-tech part is there, you have to focus in the non-tech part also. Okay, so this was all civil engineering syllabus what we have guys, and how to this complete the syllabus. Only we have this 3 to 4 months, okay, maximum 4 months we will have for this preparation. And again saying good news for you guys, Yourpedia first time announces his offline batch in Hyderabad, and classes will start from this 20th September 2022. And those who want to take demo classes, who want to take this opportunity, they can grab the opportunity. We are providing a Google link so they can fill their this query form so that we can contact you. And first 50 candidates will get a reward. That is, I already told to you guys, 50% discount is there. So extra for that we are just making the things. Okay. So I hope guys you will enjoy the session, and the offline classes that we are going to conduct soon, this 20th September, you will be there. And all the best. Keep preparing with Yourpedia. Thank you very much.